In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Facebook and Zoho CRM. This integration helps you connect your Facebook activity with your Zoho CRM so that leads generated from Facebook can flow into your CRM in a clean, organized way. As you follow along, keep an eye on the Zoho CRM screen and make sure you have the correct permissions to manage your setup. To begin, click Setup in Zoho CRM. You will find this as the gear icon in the top right corner of your Zoho CRM interface. This area is where Zoho collects all the configuration options for integrations and channel connections. Taking a moment here matters because you will be switching from the main CRM view into the settings area, and that is where social connectivity is managed. Next, when the setup menu opens, select Channels and then click Social. This is the section specifically designed for connecting communication and lead sources. You are looking for the place where Zoho lists supported social integrations, so you can choose Facebook as the channel to connect. Now click the Facebook tab and select Add Account. This step starts the linking process between your Zoho CRM and your Facebook account. On screen, you should see a prompt to authenticate. This is the part where you tell Facebook that Zoho is allowed to access the features needed for lead generation and page access. After you click Add Account, log into your Facebook account and authorize the permissions. This authorization step is important because it grants the integration access to the data necessary for lead generation, such as the ability to work with the pages you choose and to receive lead form submissions. Follow the prompts carefully and confirm the permissions when prompted. Once authorization is complete, return to the Zoho setup page. With the connection established, the next step is to select the Facebook pages you want to integrate and click Add. This is where you decide which pages will send lead information into Zoho CRM. Choose the pages that correspond to the campaigns you run. After you select the right pages, click Add so Zoho can recognize those pages as part of your integration. At this point, you will move into the lead generation configuration for Facebook lead ads. Configure the lead generation settings for Facebook lead ads so that lead submissions are captured correctly and are ready to be delivered into Zoho CRM. This step ensures that the integration is not just connected, but actually configured to receive the lead data your ads generate. Once the lead generation settings are in place, you will map your Facebook lead form fields or review to the corresponding Zoho CRM fields. This step controls where each piece of information from your Facebook form goes inside Zoho CRM. For example, details like name, email, and other lead attributes should match the matching Zoho fields. Take your time here because correct mapping prevents incomplete or incorrectly placed lead information. After you have reviewed the field mapping, click Save to finalize the integration. Saving confirms your selections and makes the integration active, so new Facebook lead submissions can start appearing in Zoho CRM according to the configuration you set. If there is any confirmation message, review it to ensure the setup completed successfully. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.